it's another beautiful night, and thank God it's Friday. Welcome back to Coffee Chat.
Your identity is concerned. God is so good, He will give you air angels.
Mag-aral ka ng dance, voice, lahat ng pwede mong pasukan na aralin mo.
Sa mga director, producers, designers. Number one yan sa mga designers kasi sila yung...
Parang, why would you wait for challenges to come? Hindi ba challenge yung araw-araw na?
Where we brew amazing conversations and inspiring stories. Hello everyone and welcome back to Coffee Chat Season 3, where we brew amazing conversations and inspiring stories. My name is David Aveno, your host for Season 3. Ayan, thank God it's another Friday and mga ka-coffee mates and ka-coffee cakes. Ayan, meron na naman tayong special guest for today. Of course, siya lang naman ang isa sa pinaka-hottest na teen clash contender of 2026. Pero syempre, medyo bibitinin ko muna kayo guys because we would like to invite first everyone. No? Bukas na po ito and sa Sunday. So we will be having an open auditions. Ayan, syempre that's under Ignis Novus Artist Management that is powered by First Sun Production. Ayan, so tomorrow guys, magkita-kita po tayo from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. That will be happening in the Mirror Studio sa Poblacion, Makati, SJG Building, 2nd floor. Ayan, so sa mga gustong mag-auditions, guys, please do bring your piece. Ayan, one sample of monologues, ayan, at least 3 minutes, no? And then dance as well as singing. Ayan, so those are the things that you have to prepare for tomorrow. So then again, guys, ulitin ko lang po ha, we do have an open auditions tomorrow up until Sunday ito from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Diyan yan sa The Mirror Studio sa SJG Building, 2nd floor in Poblacion, Makati. And so we'll see you there tomorrow, guys. See you there. Ano daw? Ayan, but before also, guys, we would like to invite everyone to please do like, subscribe, and follow to our original fan pages. Ayan, with Ignis Novus Artist Management, syempre, in Facebook and in Instagram, that's Ignis Novus Artist Management, and in TikTok at ignisnovus.official. And of course, ang ating mother production, ang First Sun Production, in Facebook and in Instagram, that's First Sun Production. At syempre, if you want to watch the replay of our live streams, kasama na dyan yung mga educational contents ng First Sun Production, as well as yung mga teasers of our upcoming shows, theater, and even corporate events. So please do follow and subscribe to our YouTube account with First Sun Creatives. And of course, syempre, under Ignis Novus Management, we have our live streams. That's every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 7 p.m. Unang-una na dyan, syempre, every Monday we have Chikahan with Mami Ray. Followed by every Wednesdays naman, we have the Up Top Download with Rian Aragon and Ryan Howe. And of course, every Friday naman, we have the Coffee Chat with the Veno. So make your 7 p.m. a habit. That's MWF with Ignis Novus Artist Management. Ayan, so guys, hindi ko na po papatagalin kasi syempre kanina pa natin kasama ang ating special guest. Ayan. Siya lang naman ang isa sa mga contenders of Teen Clash 2026. One of the top 12. So let's all please welcome Mr. Donald Mendoza. Hi, Don. Kamusta ka?
Hello po kayo, Daven. Well, it's been good. It's been great. It's been a journey.
Wow. Ayan. So bumati muna tayo sa mga audience
po.
natin ngayon. Ayan. Hello, guys.
What is up, everybody? It's Donald Mendoza. It's your favorite teen clasher.
Oh, di ba? Hindi pa tayo nagsisimula. May pasample na agad si Don.
Yes.
Ayan. So, silipin lang muna natin. Sino-sino bang mga nandiyan sa comment section natin right now? So, guys, if you have any questions anywhere during our interview, i-drop nyo lang yung questions nyo dyan and itatanong natin diretso kay Don.
Yes, exactly.
Okay?
Keep
So,
the questions coming, guys.
correct. Ayan. So, sorry, patingin ako. Meron ba tayong mga comments sa comment section right now? Ayan, ang dami na. O, Timothy Mendoza, ayan. Good evening po, magandang gabi sa inyo. Kael Niegos, good evening. Siyempre, Rochelle Pulion, Mami Ray, yan, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Good evening, Daven and Donald.
Good evening po.
Yan, magandang gabi po. Ayan, we have Grace Mendoza. Ayan, syempre. Thank you, Ignis Novus Artist Management for Donald Mendoza main page live interview. Yan. Maraming salamat din po sa suporta. Direk Rodel, syempre, good evening. Hello, magandang gabi po. Ayan na si Mami Grace. Sabi ni Mami Ray. Yan. Hello po from Timothy Mendoza. Okay, so cut muna natin yan, Timothy, no? So, Timothy. Your kapatid kasi,
Yes,
di ba?
po.
Don, ayan. So, Don, ngayon, we're having conversation na. Gusto natin chill lang tayo dito.
Yes,
Yan.
sure.
So, we have a coffee here. So, feel free to
Yes.
take a sip whenever you like it. Okay? Yan. So, Don, siguro, pwede mo ba kaming kwentuhan? No? Because Teen Clash is one of the singing competitions sa television na, alam mo yun, halos lahat ng Pilipino alam yan, di ba?
Yes,
Because
po.
it's being broadcast nationwide. So, pwede mo ba kaming kwentuhan? Paano ka nagsimula dito? Kasi, meron bang mga audition process to? Ano ba yung dinaanan mo during your journey?
Well, it actually started me practicing lang po na mga kanta, different songs, exploring my range as a baritone. Nag-explore rin po ng mga high notes. It started po talaga with me just practicing my songs. Until pumunta po ako sa kusina, may nakita po ako sa TV na The Clash Teens auditions are now open.
Wow!
So, I checked the dates and those dates were the time I were available po. Yun po. Tapos nung time po na nakita ko po yun, pumunta po ako kaagad kay Mami. Kay Mami po ako pumunta, tapos pinakita ko po kay Mami, Mami, gusto ko po mag-audition sa The Clash Teens. Mami, gusto ko po talaga mag-audition sa The Clash Teens. Like, pinilit ko po talaga si Mami. Tapos nung nakita po ni Mami, ay sige anak, sige lang mag-audition ka, ganon. So, me and Mami po, we both agreed on auditioning The Clash Teens. Tapos nung actual date na po, wala naman po akong in-audition na category ng The Clash Teens. So parang surprise po siya. Sila po yung magkakategorize po sa amin kung saan po kami ilalagay. Kung pwede po siya Sparkle Artist, The Clash Teens, The Voice, different categories. So, personally, me and my mother, we didn't know kung saan po talaga kami mag-audition, kung para saan po ba yung auditionan ko. Pero I just did what I did. I performed with passion. I sang with my heart, I sang beautifully for them, then, yun lang po. Tapos, ang nangyari po dun sa audition ko is that, di ba po, I introduced myself, then, kumanta po ako. Ang kinanta ko po din is Rise Up by Andra Day. Such a beautiful song. Nung kinanta ko po yun, pinatigil po kaagad ako.
Okay.
Pinatigil po kaagad ako.
Bakit daw?
Then, they followed up with a question na parang, makakapunta ka ba kaagad dito kapag tinawag ka namin?
Okay.
Well, I was so confused po nung tinanong po sa akin yun kasi parang, definitely, malamang po, pupunta po talaga ako dito.
Siyempre, nag-audition ka eh.
Nag-audition po ako sa inyo, kaya pupunta po ako sa inyo.
Uh-huh.
So, I was really confused kasi, yes, of course, it is an obvious answer na pupunta po ako dito. Then, you know, my audition, it ended. Ganun lang po kasimple, natapos po kaagad siya. Then, boom! Boom! Si Mami po, these past few days, siguro po a few days pa went by, then, may nag-message po kay Mami, kinukulit po si Mami. Hi, hello, is this Donald? Ganito po, ganun, ganyan. Tapos may nagsabi po, this is blah, 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 blah from GMA.
Okay.
Papuntahin nyo na po ngayon si Donald. Ganun po. It was rush. Grabe po talaga. It was, a rush. It was, a lot was happening po talaga. Actually, si Mami po, hindi niya nga po pinapansin yung nagme-message po sa kanya until na-mention po kay Mami na this is someone from GMA.
From GMA.
Tapos nung
Ayan.
binuksan niya, ay, nakuha pala si Icha sa nakuha kay Icha sa The Clash. Ganon.
Parang mas excited si Mami ng time na yan.
Actually nga po, hindi po ako naniniwala na natanggap po ako sa The Clash Teens.
Okay.
Kasi Me, parang wala pa akong social media presence. I'm not active at all in social media. Wala rin po akong mga managers and stuff. Wala po talaga, as in wala. Pero thank the Lord, our Heavenly Father, for His glory, for His blessings, that He has given me this one-of-a-kind opportunity po talaga.
How did you react nung nalaman mo yung, uy, may text message pala from GMA? What was, siguro, I can't imagine, no? Tinatry ko siyang isipin. Pero how was your reaction nung the first time na nalaman mo yung about sa follow-through ng GMA?
Well, yung reaction ko po is, hindi po talaga ako makapaniwala. I was in disbelief when sinabi po sa akin ni Mami na, natanggap ko sa The Clash. Hindi po, kasi po talaga it was just siguro a random Tuesday. I was just sitting on my usual couch, on my usual spot, naglalaro lang, nagsa-cellphone, blah, 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 just playing games and stuff, until sinabi po sa akin ni Mami na, natanggap ka sa The Clash, Teens! Ganon. Well, personally, hindi po talaga ako makapaniwala until na pinakita po sa akin ni Mami yung text na, pinakita po sa akin ni Mami yung text na, natanggap ka sa The Clash, pumunta ka na dito right now. Ganun po.
So, kamusta naman yun? Nung nandun ka na, so eto na yung competition, di ba? Kasi you already received yung notification na, uy, punta ka na ngayon kasi kailangan ka na for the tapings and all and what. So, nung nandun ka na, how was the feeling? Meron bang mga challenges that you have encountered all throughout the competition?
Well, nung nandun na po ako, I actually didn't know kung ano po ang gagawin ko doon. Pero on the car ride papunta sa GMA, they told me to give them na may 3 best songs po na panglaban.
Oh, okay.
Pinasa ko po yun, especially yung Rise Up, yun, pinasa ko po yun, then other songs that really complement my voice. So now, nung nandun po ako, they just let me stand by. I was with my dad kasi they just led us into a conference room, a random conference room. Tapos we were waiting. I wasn't updated kung ano po talaga gagawin namin. I had no clue. I had nothing in mind kung ano po gagawin namin. I thought na callback po ito. I thought napapakantayin po nila ako ulit. Pero what happened was actually more surprising. They just briefed me with what I do, what I'll do. If makita ko po yung photo ko po doon, just stand behind my photo. Ang nangyari po is that I was actually going to be part of the top 24 without me having nothing in mind. Ganun po ang nangyari. So, nung pumasok po ako sa kwarto na yun, nakita ko pang mga ibang clashers, iba't ibang clashers, different experiences, different stories, different people. Ganun po talaga. Actually, di ko po talaga alam gagawin ko. Nagbow pa nga po ako sa kanila ko kasi wala po talaga akong alam kung ano po talaga gagawin ko. Well, ang nangyari is, until na nabuo na po kami, may isang clasher na nagbasa ng, you guys are officially the top 24.
Wow!
Yung reaction ko po doon was sobrang genuine. Totoong-totoo na nanggaling po talaga sa puso ko. Seryoso ba yan? Na top 24 na ako? Ganun po. Ganun po talaga. I wasn't expecting anything at all na ganun po ang mangyayari na top 24 pala ako. Because being in the top 24 means already a lot sa dami-dami po na
nag-auditions, di ba? And then, pumasok ka pa ng top 12. So, that's a different story, di ba?
Yes po.
Now, Donald, pwede mo kong kwentuhan, what was your preparation for this competition? Kasi this is a competition at malaking competition to, ha? Yes. Hindi lang siya yung simpleng competition lang na, anong preparation mo personally?
Well, personally, ang preparation ko naman po ay syempre yung everyday po nagpa-practice where I internalize myself on how do I deliver this song, on how do I storytell this song, on how do I pronounce this song, as how do I deliver as it's my song po. So now, syempre din po, with me internalizing, dumadagdag na rin po sina Mommy and Daddy who always calls me for another rehearsal, another practice po, na kung paano, how's my practice going, how's my practice doing, show us what you've got.
And you do baritone, right?
Yes
Tama
po,
ba?
I do
Yun ang
baritone po.
range mo. Pero you also do something outside that
Yes
note,
po.
di ba? Which is very rare, di ba? Kasi usually ba pag baritone kasi, usually mababa ang boses niyan eh, di ba? Pero ang balita ko sa'yo is like, you can go higher pa,
Yeah.
tama? Di ba?
Yes po.
Paano mo mo na-discover yung range mo na yun sa vocals mo? Did you, nag-training ka ba for voice? Or paano mo siya na-discover?
Well, it actually started po nung before puberty. Because si mommy po, in-enroll niya na po kaagad ako sa voice lesson nung nalaman niya po na I had this potential in singing. So, in my younger years po, in-enroll niya na po kaagad ako sa voice lessons. Kaya, doon ko po talaga na ipalaganap yung mga high notes ko po kasi wala pa naman po akong puberty and, you know, I was classically trained. I know how to deliver my songs. Well, binigyan po ako ng teacher ko ng mga iba't ibang pieces, Italian pieces, German pieces, Tagalog pieces, English pieces, musical pieces, marami po yan.
Wow, iba-iba talaga.
Different varieties. So, when puberty started po, I thought that was my downfall. Kasi, my childhood was purely just high notes po, di ba? Kasi, wala pa naman po akong experimentation with my baritone kasi I was being new to this stuff. So now, parang nung time na po yun, nung time ng puberty ko, parang I felt so depressed. I felt so heartbroken. It was my heartbreak of the year po. It was my heartbreak of the year kasi I can't believe that I'm losing my voice, this kind of voice, this high voice that I've cherished so deeply, that I've carved within my heart. Nawawala po siya.
Yes, actually, totoo yan. It's really more of a science thing kasi yan eh. When you hit puberty, everything changes.
Yes, everything changes.
Diba? May term doon eh, yung during your younger years, yung naabot mo yung higher voices or notes, may tawag doon eh, just for, i-research ko mamaya para sa inyo. So yeah, sorry, ituloy mo ang kwento. Okay.
Yun po, parang that time, parang I have had a break, pero si mommy, daddy, yung teacher ko po, they told me to keep on going. And that's what inspired me po talaga to keep on going, to just experiment with what will happen. So, eventually, nung na-furnish na po, nung na-finalize na po ang pagiging baritone ko, ang vocal coach ko po is doon na lang po talaga nag-focus sa pagiging baritone ko. Well, until na me internalizing, experimenting with stuff, with what if maabot ko pa kaya yung mga dati kong high notes.
Yes.
So dun, nung time na po yun, dun ko po siya na practice, just doing with what I can, using my head voice, using that, hitting those high notes and stuff, until na, ay, kaya ko pala ulit gawin to, no? Yung mga nagawa ko before puberty, kaya ko pa rin ngayon.
May mga notes ka pa rin nare-reach.
Yes po, may mga
diba?
notes pa po ako na nare-reach. Kasi nung time ng puberty, parang wala na po akong naibubuga, wala na pong nailalabas sa lalamunan ko, parang wala na po talaga.
Okay. So it's really, it's really, kumbaga may ups and downs talaga
po.
yan parati. Especially when you hit puberty kasi, lalo na vocal, nag-change kasi yan talaga as you go by, no? And I think it's good na tinuloy mo pa rin yung lessons mo and everything so that mas mahulma. Wow, tama ba yung term ko? Mas mahulma. Di ba yung voice mo?
Siyempre
Ayan.
po, hindi rin po mawawala yung foundation ng love and support po ni na mommy, ni daddy.
Correct.
Tapos po yung vocal coach na consistent lang po na pagpa-practice ng foundation po ng love and support nila, hindi po mawawala yan.
Correct. Ayan. And dahil dyan, Don, no, ang dami ng dumating na opportunities for you.
po, exactly.
Kasi balita ko, because of The Clash, no, TikTok Lock, Barangay
po.
LS, ano pa ba, All Out Sunday. Yan. Kwentuhan mo nga kami, what happened dito sa mga, ano ba to, like guest appearance ba itong mga ito? How was it?
Well, sa TikTok Lock naman po, since I was the last person to enter the top 12 on the Clash Arena, I was the last person to get my seat, get that spot. Well, they prepared me for a guest in TikTok Lock guesting po, ganyan. It was actually live. Live po siya, buong show. TikTok Lock guesting was live. So, our performances there, our reactions there, ang pag-perform po namin, ang pag-storytell namin ng pagkanta, that was pure, genuine po. That was real. It was happening in real time. So, being in TikTok Lock po was really a one-of-a-kind experience kasi I get to see different celebrities rin po. Get to meet new people rin po with nakasamaan ko po na clashers na last batch na rin po nakapasok sa top 12. They were great. They were amazing. They really inspired me to just keep on going po.
Wow. How about naman yung sa All Out Sunday? Kasi I think nag-guest din ba kayo doon? Or...
Well, it would be upcoming.
Oh, sorry.
yes.
Okay. So, secret pa pala yun.
Yes
Dapat
po.
i-blip natin
Abang
yung
lang
part
po,
na yan.
abang lang po
Abang-abang
sa-
lang tayo.
Yes.
Ayan. And then, siguro, Donna, ang dami nang nangyari, no?
Yes po.
With just a snap of the finger, hey, eto na, ang dami na. Laban na to kasi we're still on the competition right now, the Clash Teams, di ba? Kamusta ang showbiz?
Well,
How was
showbiz,
it?
it has been a lot. Well, parang marami lang po talaga nangyayari. They gave us assignments, they gave us preparations to do this and stuff, practice lang. They give us our songs to prepare, do this and do that. Well, a lot has happened po talaga. Yeah.
Oh, so there's really a lot of things happening,
Yes
no?
po.
So, syempre, it's busy.
Yeah,
Lahat
busy po.
nagkahabol
Kaya show
talaga.
busy.
Show busy, ayan.
Yeah.
So, Don, ikakat ko lang saglit, ha? Tignan lang
Yes
natin
po, sure
kasi
po.
ang balita ko, maraming tao sa comment section natin right
Okay,
now. So,
sure.
magbasa lang tayo ng comments, like, real quick. Patingin niya, ayan. Sige, we have from Mami Ray. Ayan na si Mami Grace. Yeah, that was a while ago, no? Hello daw po from Yvonne. Ayan,
Hello po.
Pamela. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Hi everyone. Ayan, from RJ Silva. Good evening po. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Joshua Fortuna, Di Makulangan. Hello, good evening po.
Hello
Eunice.
po, good evening.
Yeah, Eunice Magno, hello, magandang gabi. Pa-shoutout po from Miss Joanna Bago. Miss Joanna Bago, hello po, Miss
Hello
Bibel.
po.
Ayan, hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Grace Joy, ayan, love you daw from Mommy.
Love you, Mommy. I love you so much, Mommy.
Alan Mendoza, love you, Donel.
Love you,
Oh,
Daddy.
God.
Love you
Yan.
guys.
Queen Faigao, yan, Ichu.
Ate
Yan.
Queen, kamusta po?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Sorry, meron pa tayong na-skip na isa pa. Yan, from Share Jen Anulas.
Teacher Jen, hello
Yan.
po.
Yeah, siya ang teacher mo ng voice.
Nung advisor ko po nung grade 1.
Advisor, wow. Diba? Full force tayo
Yes
dito
po.
ngayon. From Direct Rodel Mercado, Don, familiar ka naman as you age na magbabago yung quality ng voice mo, no? So, ito yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, no? Ngayon ba, may ginagawa ka about it at paano mo ito pinaghahandaan? Kasi that's the reality, eh. It changes as you grow old, di ba? So,
Yes po.
anong ginagawa mo right now and how do you keep your voice secured?
Well, as of now, the familiarity po sa akin is parang I know that my voice won't stay like this deep for long.
Yes.
Kasi may chance pa po to na tumaas. And may chance pa rin po na bumaba ng bumaba. So,
Totoo.
I guess I would say that I would prepare with what I can. I would always rehearse every day. And syempre rin po yung discipline sa akin for myself to discipline on and to set limitations and boundaries to what I can consume, lalo na po sa food, yung bawal po yung mga sweets, bawal po mga spicy, bawal po mga salty, yan po marami pong bawal sa singer. So, the discipline is there, setting limitations is there, setting boundaries is there. Ganun.
Ayan, very good. Totoo yan, no? Kung tatanungin mo kung anong pinaka-importante, it's really the discipline.
Yes, the discipline.
Yes.
And the determination po talaga. Yeah, the determination.
Determination. Wow. It's D&D. DD. Determination and discipline. Tandaan nyo yan, guys,
Yes.
ha? Now, Don, pwede mo kaming kwentuhan, was there any struggles or challenges? Ano yung pinakamahirap na challenge that you have encountered so far?
Well, ang pinaka-challenge that I have encountered so far naman po is actually nothing much, pero I guess I would say it's the travel papunta po sa GMA kasi medyo malayo po ang San Jose del Monte, Bulacan sa
Yes.
GMA, and we have to travel for 1 hour and 30 papunta and pabalik. So, as of now, wala naman po masyadong struggles, just beyond grateful for what is happening, for being part of the top 24 and being part of the top 12. Yes.
Yun. So, actually, that's really a big challenge, kasi travel time pa lang, it would take you 3 hours na, di ba?
Yes po.
And sabihin pa natin, may traffic, lalo na
Exactly.
ngayon, no?
Pampadagdag pa po yung traffic.
I don't want to be, wag na nga natin puntahan yung, yung sa traffic na yan. Anyways. But all throughout, no, so, how about dun sa mismong competition? Was there any struggles that you have encountered?
Well, sa mismong competition naman po, I guess I would say na wala naman po masyadong struggles kasi ano po, they give us preparation. They give us the time to prepare beforehand, before our performance. They give us time to do exactly what we should do. Lalo na po sa behind the clash, nakikita po dun talaga yung pagpa-practice namin with vocal coaches. And with vocal coach po, pinapractice po kami kung ano pa po dapat i-improve namin on how we can apply that better. Yes.
Ano ba ito? Like, paano ba yun? Binibigyan ba kayo ng like 1 week to prepare for the next competition? Ganun ba ang, alam mo yun, kung how it's being framed, paano ba siya ginagawa yung behind the scenes ng competition? Is it 1 week before? Ganun ba yan?
Well, it actually depends on the schedule. Kasi po, siguro po let's give this an example. Let's give this a scene. Let's say na binigyan po nila ako ng, nabigay na po nila sa akin yung instrumental ko, yung piece ko po for ngayon. Then, siguro, past few days will go by, maybe less than a week or more than a week. Doon po pinapapunta po kami kaagad. So, that's why, it really depends on the schedule po.
Oh, okay. So talagang meron kayong required na araw na kailangan ninyong
Yes po,
puntahan.
may required po na araw na binibigay po sa amin.
Kasi kailangan nyo rin to prepare and may coaching yan, di
po,
ba?
Yes po, may coaching.
Tama. Yan. So, tama nga ganun. Yun yung nasa isip ko. Pero, syempre, it's a bit gray area on my end kasi it's something new to me. Di ba? Well, alam naman natin na maraming nangyayari at the background
Yes po.
na hindi lumalabas sa ere. Di ba? And yung palang taking that challenge alone, it's really something that you could be proud of yourself. Di ba?
Yes.
Yung pinagdaanan natin na yan.
Exactly.
Yan. And then, siguro, one of my question for you, no, Don, ano yung pinaka-biggest regret in your life na sa tingin mo, ay sayang, dapat pala hindi ito yung kinuha ko or ito yung pinili kong option?
Well, the biggest regret, I say, parang wala naman po atang biggest regret. Kasi in everything that I do, meron po yung pag-iisip po. May brainstorming po yan sa every action that I do po. Tapos, ayan po, I prepare myself mentally kung ano pang mangyayari. Mentally and emotionally. Kasi, minsan po may mga times na may mga emotions po tayo na, ayun po, dumadalaw po talaga na nasasobrahan na di na rin po natin kayang i-control. Kaya, we just let things go by. But, it's better po na if we prepare ourselves really, to just stay calm, inhale, exhale, and just breathe. Just be you.
Yes.
This is you, and this is yourself. Just stay calm.
Yeah, and that's very true. Tao lang din tayo, di ba? We get affected with emotions from time to time, which actually brings me to my next question. Don, this is a competition, right?
Yes po.
And alam natin sa isang competition, merong mananalo, merong natatalo. Okay? Pero it doesn't mean that that's already the end of the journey.
Yes po,
Diba?
that's right.
So, ang question ko for you, Don, how do you prepare yourself? Now, let's say, sabihin natin worst comes to worst. Unfortunately, hindi ikaw yung sumalang sa next na competition. How do you prepare for those kind of situations?
Well, let's bring it back kung ano po yung sinabi ko last time. Well, I prepare myself mentally and emotionally. Pero, sometimes we can control those emotions. Pero it's okay. Just let it all out. Just be you. Just be calm. Well, if the worst were to happen, right? Like sa Clash Arena, if ever man na matalo po ako or I lose the opportunity to be part of the top of the clash, then it would be okay. Because at the end of the day, it will come into a conclusion and to a reflection that I was part of the Clash Teens. I was
Yes.
part of this one-of-a-kind experience. I was part of the top 24. I was part of the top 12. And I was part of being a recording artist ng
Yes.
GMA.
Correct.
Well, in conclusion po, generally, my emotions would be, yes, it would be bittersweet, but more of being grateful, of more of being appreciative of what happened. Because what happens comes for a reason po. I believe in that saying. Because winning or losing, it gives us lessons po talaga. You know, may mga lessons po yan na binibigay sa atin that we can bring to the upcoming future, to our tomorrows, that will be the key to our doors.
Yes.
Ganun po.
I like it na very positive ang outlook natin, no?
Dapat lang po pala maging positive.
which is totoo yung sinabi mo manalo matalo, this is already a big break for
Yes
you.
po.
'Di ba? And gaya nga ng sabi natin, ongoing pa lang ang competitions, ang dami mo ng guestings.
Yes, exactly
Diba?
nga po.
You will never know, kasunod dyan, mga TVCs na, di ba? And
Yes po.
we're hoping for that, di ba? And those are actually, kumbaga yung mga pwedeng maging positive outcomes. Di ba? So maraming pwedeng mangyari in the near
Yes,
future.
dapat lang.
So dapat ilaban lang natin yan.
Dapat ilaban. Just
At-
keep on going.
Yes, at dahil ongoing pa ang competition, kailangan natin ibigay ang best natin parate.
Yes.
Tama?
Dapat.
Ayan.
Tama.
Yan. So ito naman, this is just a random question, no?
Sure po.
Although kanina pa natin pinag-usapan that your mom and your dad, they are very supportive
Yes po,
Now-
very.
with your journey. Pero kwentuhan mo naman kami, how is your dad and your mom during the actual na competition? Ay, sama na natin yung brothers and sisters mo,
Yes
di ba?
po.
Your whole family. How was them? Paano sila nung actual na competition?
Well, for me po, it has become emotionally heartfelt. Kasi po, when it comes to competitions like this, in special events, big places, big studios, big performances, my family, their presence is very important po talaga. It's so important, so vital, so crucial. Kasi po, they constantly remind me to just whatever happens, manalo man o matalo, mahal na mahal ka namin each. Well, they keep on constantly reminding me to just do your best. Just be yourself.
Yes.
Ipakita mo kung sino ka talaga. Yun po, the constant reminders is what keeps me on going. They are my pillars of strength. They are my motivation, my inspiration to just be me. Walang filter.
Okay. And
Just be me.
yeah, and that's very good, no? That your mom and your whole family,
Yes,
they're very supportive with your journey.
Sobra pong supportive nila.
For you ba, malaki bang impact yun? That you have their support?
Well, sobra po. Sobrang laki ng impact na nangyayari po sa akin na attach po sa akin. Sobrang laki po ng impact na yun. Kasi their support, my mom, dad, kuya, ate, bunso, their support po really is immensely nakakaano po talaga na it makes me emotional. Ganun po. It keeps me positive, it keeps me going because marami pong struggles minsan may mga times po na gano'n on my darkest moments. They are my light, they are my positivity. Tas sobra po, their support means the whole world to me. It means the whole world and I love them to the moon and back.
Wow! And it's really, na talagang malaki ang influence ng family,
Sobra
no?
po.
Pagdating sa mga ganitong competitions because they are the one who's going to give you yung motivation.
Yes po,
Yan.
definitely.
And that's very good, no? So, well, hindi ko na po papatagalin, guys. So, syempre, ang ating special guest for today ay top 12 ng Teen Clash.
Yes.
Syempre, manghihingi tayo ng sample. Ayan.
Ay.
So, Don, pwede mo ba kaming bigyan naman ng konting sample lang from
Okay
your
po.
pieces? Ayan.
Sure, well, this is an original piece and it's called Never Mattered. You never mattered, I was just blinded. All your words were paper thin and were never real. Keep your silence, keep your crown. I'm not the one who's sinking now. You never matter, that's clear. Not now, not ever, not here.
Wow!
That's
Palakpakan
Never
naman
Mattered.
natin si Don. Ayan, syempre. And if I heard it correctly, that is an original song,
Yes, an
tama?
original song.
Yeah, what was the story of this song? Pwede mo ba kaming kwentuhan?
Yes po. Well, the story of this song never mattered. I dedicate this song to all the haters who don't appreciate our best efforts po. And po, to the people who don't have nothing good to say about you, yung wala lang, may masabi lang, mema, may negatibo, naku, they don't matter.
Yes.
Yung mga tao na ganyan who just brings us down, who just brings negativity as their, yung nagpapagaan lang sa kanila, ginagamit nilang negatibo para maakyat na sila. No, hindi yan, bawal yan, hindi kayo nagmamatter. To those people, to those haters, you don't matter. Kung mag-comment man kayo na ang pangit ng boses ko, mukha akong matanda, mukha akong 25 years old, lalim. Y'all don't matter. Because at the end of the day, look at all the people, look what I have become.
Yes.
Look at all the achievements that I have achieved. And maybe have some self-reflection. Yung parang, come listen to my song. Baka may mga haters rin kayo na nag-hate sa inyo, kaya they don't matter. Hindi sila nagmamatter. That's the story of my song.
And that is true this is very true, no? Once you've entered showbiz kasi talaga, meron mga bashers.
Yes po.
Pero, alam mo yun, regardless kasi if they would bash you or they would be proud of you, it's, alam mo, you use them to your advantage.
Yes po.
Diba? Well, sige, bash nyo lang ng i-bash yun doon,
Yes.
pero...
Look at me right now. Tingnan ang pogi-pogi ko.
Di ba? Totoo yan eh. Kasi you have to use all of means, di ba?
Yes po.
For your advantage. Di ba? Sige lang, kaya mo lang silang i-bash ka ng i-bash. But at the end of the day, it's something that you could use.
Yes.
Tsaka kung i-compare mo yung ikaw right now versus them, syempre, di ba? Mag-bash lang kayo, sige lang.
Yes.
Mas pabor kay Don
Yeah.
yun.
That's right.
Kung totoosin, di ba? You just go with it kahit na anong sabihin ng tao sa atin, di ba? So long na wala kang tinatapakang tao, yun.
Yun lang po.
Di ba? And balita ko, di ba, like, you've already been with TikTok Lock, as we have mentioned kanina. Was there any other invite that was nangyari lately for you?
Invite po, yes. Actually, yesterday. Sa
Oh,
barangay,
yesterday. Okay.
Barangay LS po.
Oh,
Yeah.
sa barangay,
It happened
the
around-
radio station to, di
Yeah,
ba? Tama
radio
ba?
station, yes.
Okay.
Yes po. They invited me to, syempre, come perform my original single. Yes po. They also asked me on mga experiences ko po as being a teen clasher, being part of the top 12. Ayan po yung mga hobbies ko po. Yan. Yung kung sino po ako nagmana. Yan po sina mommy and daddy. Yeah. Ganun po talaga. They asked me, they interviewed me.
The same
Yeah.
questions.
Yes po.
Ayan.
Questions.
So, eto lang, curious lang ako, no? Kasi busy ang schedules mo ngayon
Yes
eh.
po, busy
Ang
po.
daming sunod-sunod na guesting,
Yeah.
di ba? Outside the showbiz arena naman. Kamusta si Don?
Well, kamusta po? Well, there's been difficulty kasi po, yes, may sumisingit po na education.
Okay.
Ang school. Pero, yes po, education is my number one priority. And the second will be artistry.
Yes.
Yan po. So, for me, there's difficulty rin po na pagbabalance, There's difficulty in balancing education, school stuff, and artistry. Pero, for me, kinakaya ko naman yan. Laban lang.
Yes, totoo yan, no? Kahit na, especially right now, no, with the condition
Yes.
that we have here in the Philippines, kailangan talaga makapagtapos tayo ng pag-aaral.
Dapat lang po.
That's very, very important. And bonus na lang yan if you will be able to have this kind of experience, one-of-a-kind
Yeah, yes
experience
po.
with live industry, di ba? And very totoo yan. Sa mga nanonood na bata sa atin, even though that we wanted to go and push in this kind of industry, kailangan pa rin matapos natin ang
Dapat lang po. Ang
pag-aaral. That's number one.
Yes po.
Di ba? But ikaw ba mismo, do you still have time to do something outside?
Well, to do something outside, well, siguro po part na rin po ng playing games po.
Okay.
Pero minsan rin po, nakakamiss din po ang labas. Kaso mahirap rin po kasi lumabas kasi yung mga marami pong nangyayari na hindi naman po natin inaasahan.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Sige, that's very good. I-check lang natin kasi sabi sa akin marami pa daw tayong humabol na comments
Ay,
sa ating
sure po.
comment
Yeah,
section. So
sure.
let's see. Tingnan nga natin yan. Uy, ang dami nga. Oh my God. Parang mahirapan tayong magbasa nito. Ayan, ang bilis ng natin. We are praying for your journey, Donald, from Mommy Grace. Ayan.
Thank you, Mommy. I love you, Mommy.
From Derek Ramansasa, ang calm, ang bilis. Teka lang. Bigla siyang gumalaw. Full support from Sierra
Thank you po.
Jagones. Ayan,
Thank you
full
so much
support.
po.
Daniel Ann, ayan, Pogi, mabait.
Teacher Dana, kamusta po? Hi.
Mabait, matalino, talented. Hi! So, di ba? Yung mga teachers, nandito sila ngayon. From Mariel Maria, ayan, one of the outstanding singer. Ayan.
Thank you po. Thank you so much po.
Pa-shoutout daw kay Momsy at kay Popsy. Sabi ni Mami.
Shoutout po, Momsy and Popsy. Kamusta po kayo dyan? Just continue watching our live and maybe may malaman pa po kayo mga surprises and stuff. Yes.
Ayan, so ang dami nating comments. So ang bilis
Kaya
ng
nga
comment
po
section ngayon right now. So pa-shoutout daw from Raymark Bear. Tama ba yung pagkakapronounce
Okay
ko?
po. Shoutout po, Sir Raymark. Kamusta naman po ang mga computers dyan, no? Medyo busy na po kayo, kaya yun po, sige po. Waiting soon na maging kayo po ulit ang computer teacher namin.
Ayan, ang charming mo daw, sabi ni Aiza. Ayan,
Yun
charming.
po. Thank you so much po.
From Jillian naman, Atule, tama ba? Atule.
Hi,
Wow.
Jillian. Looking forward to our duets and performances next time, ha?
Wow, shout out daw. Super proud from Daniel. Ayan, pa-shout
Thank you
out,
po.
Tichu. Yan, dire-diretso pa. Meron pa from Nineng Batolod. Ayan, nakaka-inspire daw ang story mo.
Thank you so much po.
Yan. Shout out, sige. Puro shout out tayo today. Hello, shout out po sa inyo. Hindi nakakasawang panoorin ka from Basta Francisco.
Thank you
Ayan.
so much po.
Happy to hear your voice. Ayan,
I'm so
idol po
glad.
kita.
Thank
Happy
you
to
po.
hear. Ayan, from, sorry, ano pangalan nun? Akina? Is it Akina? Akina Joy Guerrero. Hello po sa
hello
inyo.
po.
Ayan. Uy, may nagbagsak ng ng stars. Naku,
Oh my
shout out daw po to
gosh.
the whole world from your kuya. Syempre.
Shoutout, Kuya T.
Ayan. Shout out, Timothy Mendoza. Ayan. Elena Tamayo, ang galing mo kumanta. Idol kita,
Thank you
Donel.
po. Thank you so much po.
Yan, Jillian, yan, heart, at hindi pa tayo natatapos. Shout out daw po from Baguio City Fans Club, from
Oh my
Marisa.
gosh. Shoutout
Ayan.
po sa inyo, Baguio City Fans Club.
Yan, nasa Baguio na tayo.
Oh my gosh.
Teka mo, mamaya sa support na to. Ayan, sobrang idol po kita.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po sa pagbabagsak ng star.
Yes.
Ayan, Timothy. Looking
Kuya
forward sa next live daw po. Ayan, from Eileen. At wag
yes.
muna kayong umalis, syempre dahil marami pa tayong pag-uusapan for today.
Yun.
Ayan. Congrats, Ichu from Dance. Josefa Ancheta, ang bait mong kausap.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Pa-shoutout daw po sa buong grade 9. Buhaha, from
Wow.
Francis Montardel.
Shout out. Grade 9 Pavlov, Grade 9 Freire, and Grade 9 Maslow. Shoutout po sa inyo mga grade 9. Mga
Ayan.
kabatch ko po yun eh.
Mga batch mo pala
Opo,
itong
mga
mga
kabatch ko
to.
po yan.
That's the reason why. Kaya that's full support kami sa iyo sa laban mo, idol, from Juanita Nicolas.
Thank you po.
Yeah. Pa-shoutout daw po si Zoe Lucy Mendoza.
Yun. Shout
Ayan.
out Zoe, shout out Bunso. Huwag ka na manood ng anime dyan, matulog ka na right now.
Okay. Ayan. So, ang dami pa. Actually, ang dami nating comments right now in our comment section. So, sorry, can you scroll up pa? Tingnan nga natin yung mga nalampasan kanina. Alam ko, meron pa tayong mga nalampasan na yun. So, green flag daw for you. Wow.
Wow, green flag.
Green flag. Shout out from Switzerland.
Yun!
So, what?
Grabe yun.
Ayan. Tignan mo na. Uy, ang dami pang umahabol na comments. Sige.
Kaya nga.
Sobrang galing mo. Ayan.
Thank you po.
Okay, shout out po. Sige, scroll down pa tayo. Try nating i-cover lahat, di ba? Yan from
Yes.
Kin Cervantes. Is it Kin or Queen? Ang ganda ng interview mo, Don.
Thank you so much po.
Daming challenges. Pa-stay calm.
Yes.
Nay Maslow
stay
on
calm.
top from Francis.
Yes.
Yay! Stay healthy. Ayan. Maraming
po.
salamat po, no, guys. Hindi natin maiisa-isa lahat ng
Yes.
nasa comment section. Right now, medyo kinakapos pa ako ng boses.
Okay lang po.
Pero just drop your questions, guys. So kapag may mga questions pa kayo, ihulog nyo lang dyan sa comment section at itatanong natin diretso kay Don.
Yes.
Okay? Ayan. So, Don, mabalik tayo sa usapan natin.
Okay lang po, sure.
Yan. Ready ka na ba? Kasi tatawid na tayo sa ating second segment,
Oh my
syempre.
gosh, of course, ready na po.
So, ang ating next segment ay may title na Kaya Mo Ba Ang Tapang ng Kape? Yan. So, ang simple lang naman mechanics natin dito with our second segment. No? So, we have three, anong tawag dito kasi? Mugs.
Okay, mugs.
Na,
May mugs.
bubunot ka ng questions dyan,
Sure
of
po.
course. Pero, just a disclaimer for everyone, for now, lalampasan po natin yung red cup, no? Kasi these are hot questions.
Hot.
So, medyo rated 18 ito. So, lalampasan
Ayun.
natin for today. So, pabubunutin kita rito sa green, these are naughty questions, and sa blue are the memory questions.
Okay po.
So, probably dalawang question na lang sa green.
Okay,
Okay lang ba,
sure.
Mami? Sa green tayo focus.
Okay.
Ayan. So, sige, bunot ka ng your first question muna. Ano gusto mo, naughty or the memory?
I think I'll go for naughty.
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 Okay, go. Yan. Let's see. Tignan natin ang ating question number 1. Okay. What's a sound, not a word? So, it's really a sound that instantly turns you on. Medyo naughty talaga tong nabunot mo.
Agoy.
Hala ka.
I think that is not appropriate for my age. So,
Sige, skip tayo. Bunot ka
muna
ulit
tayo.
ng isa pa. Ayan. Okay. Tingnan natin. What's your next question? No? Medyo rated 18 talaga yung ibang questions dito.
Agoy.
So, what is the one fantasy on your bucket list that you haven't checked off yet?
One fantasy that I haven't checked out is probably to travel around the world.
Wow!
Yun po. Kasi po, when we travel around the world, parang fantasy po talaga siya. Because we get to experience different cultures, different
Yes.
peoples, different structures, and their different colors po in expressing their country po. Kaya ganun po talaga. That's one of my bucket lists is to travel the whole world and especially yung food. Yung food po ng isang country. Grabe po. I want to try the different kinds of food, delicacies, mapa-drinks man po yan or mapa-consumable, edible, kahit ano na po. Basta I want to experience their culture. I want to experience in different countries po. Yeah.
Wow. And that's a good, kumbaga, part of your bucket list kasi it's not everyone given a chance to
Yes
travel
po,
across
that's
the
right.
world. And yung ma-experience mo lang yung iba't ibang cultures.
Yes.
I'm a foodie myself, so
Yeah.
I would understand that, di ba? Pag-usapang pagkain talaga yan.
Yes
It's
po.
really one of the things that we're looking into forward, di ba? Yung
Yes po.
anong difference ng Indian cuisine
Yeah.
sa Vietnam, di ba?
Mapa-spicy,
Vietnamese,
mapa-salty, mapa-sweet, mapa-bitter, mapa-kahit ano man yan, just to taste the richness and
Yes.
diversity of that country.
Aha. Mukhang meron na akong magiging bagong barkada dito
Ano?
pagdating sa foodies. Ayan. Sige, muna tayo ng another question. Probably dito naman tayo sa blue, sa
Okay.
memories. Ayan.
Memories.
These are memories questions. So, tignan natin. What is your question? Kapag nabuksan ko na siya. Ayan. Ano ang memory na hanggang ngayon parang hindi ka pa rin totally nakaka-move on? So, can you tell us one memory na up until now, hindi ka pa rin daw nakaka-move on?
Well, definitely. One memory na hindi po ako makaka-move from is that time nung tinawagan po si mommy na I was part of the top 24. Now, that was one unforgettable, cherishable memory po. Kasi po, dun po yung time na surprise of events na dun ko po malalaman na part po pala ako ng The Clash Teens. Part po pala ako ng top 24. So, that is one unforgettable and cherishable memory that I will never forget po talaga. Kasi The Clash Teens, they have given me such big opportunities po. Kaya different experiences po talaga, pampadagdag lang po. They're making me write more stories of my life.
Yes.
po.
Totoo. And it's, one of the highlights.
Yes po talaga.
Diba, of your life.
Highlights of my life po talaga.
Yes, at
Kasi being 14, being 14 po right now, I have achieved so much.
Mhm.
And being at this young age in this economy in the Philippines, parang one of a kind opportunity po siya na maging artista.
Yes.
Yun po.
At hindi lahat nabibigyan ng chance.
Opo.
That's the point.
Opo.
'Di ba? And alam mo yan, it's kumbaga ito yung one of the opportunities na minsan lang talagang kumatok sa buhay natin. So,
Yes po.
alam mo yan, we have to grab
Yeah.
it. Pero syempre, you still have to balance things
Yes po,
out,
balance
'di ba?
things. Kasi pag naging stuck po tayo sa isang sector na parang kunwari,
Mhm.
pag nilunod lang po natin ang sarili doon, parang hindi na po natin nakukuha yung mga chances na to explore new things rin po, to explore different things. Kaya parang let us be creative, let us explore different things, try new things, na ano po, basta just don't push yourselves. Ganon, just try new things and stuff, you know. You never know kung ano man ang mangyari. Kasi, nangyari sa akin yan parang si Mommy, pinilit niya lang po ako na si Mommy po, pinilit niya lang po ako to try skating.
Mhm.
Then, eventually, nung nalaman ko po, ay, kaya ko to, parang, yung gusto ko po sa pag-skating, parang, naging immense po siya.
Yes.
Yung hilig ko po sa skating, sumobra po siya until na I tried different stuff rin po talaga, like, experimenting with my voice, with my high notes, kung kaya ko po yung nakaraan, tapos, ayun po, maybe trying different stuff in art, in different mediums po, like watercolor, acrylic paints, ayan po, trying new stuff, just bring yourself out there, you know, try new things, yeah.
Actually, totoo yun, no? Kasi you'll never know na kaya mo pala kung hindi mo
Yes
siya
po.
susubukan.
Dapat po, yeah.
No? And it's good thing there's someone that pushing for you to do it. 'Di ba? Merong nakaalalay sa iyo parati at nakasuporta, which is
Yes.
very true, no, sa ating mga parents, no,
Opo.
na nanonood diyan.
Opo.
That's
Yeah.
very very important na dapat parating merong nagga-guide at nagpo-push
Yes.
sa ating mga kids. 'Di ba?
Opo.
And we should support them kung anong gusto nila. Yung alam nilang ikakaganda ng career nila in the
Yes po.
future. At hindi yung naghahanap ng puso to sa Tacloban eh. So, wag na natin pag-usapan. Pero I mean, di ba? It's really, kapag with proper guidance kasi talaga,
Opo, with
mapapalabas mo yung alam mo yun, yung
Yes
the
po.
goodness of you. Ang lalim nun
Yeah.
Ayan. Sige, sorry. Tignan nga natin kasi parang may humahabol pa sa mga comment
Yes po,
sections
parang
natin
may
kanina
nakita
eh.
po ako, patuloy-tuloy lang po yung comments natin eh.
Ayan. From Erica Ibanez, excited kami sa susunod mong
Oh
performance.
my gosh,
Ay,
sige lang po, abang-abang lang po kayo.
abang-abang lang po tayo.
Yes.
Kailan ba ini-air ang The Clash?
Every Sunday po
Sunday.
at 7:15 p.m.
Oy, malapit na.
Yes
Anong
po,
araw na ba
malapit
ngayon?
na.
It's Friday.
Yes, fine.
Di ba pati
It's
ako
Friday.
nakakalimot sa araw, di ba? Ayan, from Ab Marquez, you are a future star daw po.
Thank you so much po.
Lorente Kiambao, ang bait ng personality mo.
Thank you po.
Yan, from Angel Alulod, more success is coming. Wow!
Thank you so much po.
Gusto ko yon, affirming yung statement niya.
Yes.
More is coming, di ba? Happy hearing your thoughts from Elizabeth Gaspar. Ayan.
Yes po, yeah.
Sobrang positive, manang-mana sa
Thank you so
mommy
much
at daddy
po,
from
yes.
Queen. Yan, Faigao. And ang galing mong mag-perform, idol. Lagi kitang inaabangan kumanta from Loren.
Thank you so
Olawan.
much po. Thank you po.
We're so proud of you, Donel Mendoza from Elena. Ayan, Jane Alvarado,
Thank you po.
nakaka-proud
Thank you
maging
po.
supporter mo. Wow. Puro positive yung nababasa
po.
natin sa comment section right now, no, which I think it's very important kasi it's reflecting on your
Yes po
aura.
talaga.
Alam mo yan, nakakatulong siya sa career, in
Yes
short.
Po. Diyan
Diba?
po sa mga supporters ko. I love you guys so much.
O, di ba? Continue spreading love.
Yes.
Stay strong and healthy
Yes.
from Rachel.
Thank you po.
Ayan.
Love and kindness all over the world.
Salamat sa inspiration from Mel Tolentino. Woo! Go,
Thank you
Don!
po. Thank you po. Thank you so much po.
Go, Don is, Nel, ano daw? Donel. Don is na... Oh my God. Kailangan ko talagang humabol sa Gen Z
Ha is ha is
generations
ha is.
ngayon. No? Don is Nel. Donal pala yun. Okay. Ayan. And ang dami pa nating comment section. Again, maraming salamat sa inyo guys. No? We're going to try to read as much as we can sa mga comments natin, upcomings. So stay tuned lang kayo dyan.
Yes po.
Yan. Then, ito naman, I have a curious question naman.
Okay.
Because you've already inspired a lot of people, of course.
po.
Di ba? Ito mga viewers natin, fans that they are supporting you. Pero ikaw ba personally, what is your advice to those individual that they also wanted to try kung ano yung natahak mo right now?
Well, ang magiging biggest advice ko po siguro sa mga teenagers na kasing edad ko po right now who is thinking about entering this one-of-a-kind industry po sa ganitong time, my biggest advice is try listening to the Clash theme song, which is Mangarap ka, sige laban pa. Yan. Huwag kang papipigil, huwag na huwag titigil. Yun po. I want you to listen to that song because mangarap ka. Libre lang po mangarap. Yan, mangarap ka. Sige laban ka. Fight your battles, stand your stance. Just keep on going. Be strong. Show them your strength, your potential. Sige laban pa. Huwag kang papipigil. Yan, huwag kang magpapapigil. Lalo na sa mga haters natin, sa mga bashers dyan, sa mga gilid-gilid. No, please don't be affected. Huwag kang papipigil. Huwag na huwag titigil. Yes, don't stop on doing what you love. Because doing what you love matters. Because doing what you love is you. You're showing a part of you. You're showing a part of what you love. You're showing love. And love is you. So, yun po, I recommend listening to the Clash theme song, which is Mangarap ka, sige laban pa. Yeah.
Yes, that's very
That's
true.
my biggest advice to teenagers na katulad ko po ngayon who is thinking about on entering this one-of-a-kind industry because expect the unexpected kasi, you know, a lot of things will be conducted with authority.
Totoo yan. No? It's whatever happened, di ba? Kung gusto mo kasi siyang i-reach mo siya.
Yes po.
That's why, mangarap ka, sige lang,
Sige laban pa.
sige laban
Yun.
pa. O, di ba?
Yes.
So long na hindi siya nagiging result or hindi siya nakaka-result ng masama sa'yo,
Yes.
hindi ka nakakatapak ng ibang tao.
That's right.
Di ba? Well, the biggest challenge then is how you're going to juggle your time.
Yes
Diba?
po.
Pero at the end of the day, mangarap ka lang, 6'7".
Yeah.
At least yung 6'7", alam ko yan. O, di ba? Pero the point is, kailangan i-push mo lang talaga siya. No, and wala namang makakapagsabi sa iyo kung ano yung hindi maganda sa maganda. It's just you. Kailangan mong alamin kung ano yung maganda at hindi para sa iyo.
Yes.
Siyempre, dapat natatahakin natin yung maganda.
Yun.
Yan. Okay, maybe this is my last question for
Okay,
you
for
for
sure po.
today, Don. No? Kunwari, halimbawa, it's an hypothetical question.
Okay po. Sure.
Okay. For example, you will be reincarnated in the future. Would you rather to choose to be yourself pa rin, or would you like to be someone naman so that you would experience other people's life?
Well, if I were to be reincarnated, I guess I would be reincarnated in another lifetime as myself again po. Kasi mga past ko po, I want to recall and reflect on my past mistakes, on, you know, decision making on what is right, on what is better. Yung mga mali na nagawa ko po sa buhay ko, I want to, you know, show understanding more on how to control, yes, my emotions po kasi minsan, nagdadala po talaga. I want to be reincarnated by in myself again in another lifetime kasi marami po talagang pagkakamali ng isang tao, lalo na po me. Kasi sasabihin ko na po, hindi naman po tayo perfecto.
Yes, that's true.
And having imperfections is okay. And if we include reflections, ganun po, on how we think, on how we act, let's say na, keep that positivity. Yung mga lowest times po natin in life, just stay strong. labanan mo yan, kaya mo yan. Yun, masasabi ko po sa sarili ko kasi marami po talagang times na, po, sobrang lalim na po ng moments, yung momentum ng pagiging negative is nandun po, pero yung mga people that surrounds me po right now, sila po talaga yung what keeps me going. Sila po talaga yung motivation ko po. Sila po yung naging inspiration ko. So, ayun po talaga, I would be reincarnated as myself again in another lifetime because of all the past mistakes that I have done and the decisions that I will do for being better, yung creating a better version of myself po. On how I will self-reflect every day po, on to focus on what matters, on my priorities po, education, yan. I would focus on artistry more, yung being more mature, yung always think before I act. Yan po,
Yes.
yung mga ganyan na moments yan.
And that's very true, no? If I'm going to take siguro one specific that you have said, no, na I would take it as a lesson for me.
Yes.
Me personally, no, is you have to surround yourself with positive people,
Yes
with
po.
good people.
Definitely.
No, kasi ito yung sasabi nila na you become because of the people surrounds you. It will become a big factor.
Opo.
No, kaya mahalaga na guys, it's not only for always for clout or dahil may gusto kang makasama or what, but you have to really choose those people that surrounds you.
Yes po. Ito po ha. May pinaka-lesson po na binigay sa akin si Mami. Kung sabi po sa akin ni Mami, kung walang magmamahal sa'yo, mahalin mo ang sarili mo. That is right. Yun po ang sinabi sa akin ni Mami. Kasi at the end of the day, wala naman pong forever na position ng ating mga parents, ng ating mga minamahal na tao sa buhay. Wala naman pong forever position yan dito sa ating mundo. We only live once. So make the best out of it. Ganun po. Kaya, if there's no one to love you, no one to appreciate your efforts, there's no one, nothing, no positivity at all, ikaw mismo ang maging positibo sa sarili mo. Yeah. Kaya, love yourself. Loving yourself truly is the treasure of your life. Loving yourself is the importance of kung ano po talaga ang magiging bukas mo, magiging future mo, kung magiging kinabukasan mo. Yes, just love yourself no matter what.
And that's very true, no? Totoo yan. Kung wala mang dumating man yung panahon na wala, wala, it would come. There will be, eto ang sabi nila, as you grow old, habang tumatanda ka, ganun na lang, Tagalogin na lang natin. So, hindi totoo, you lose people around you na akala mo nung una, they're there all throughout your lifespan. But
Yes
no,
po.
dumarating at dumarating yon. And sana, pag dumating yung time na yon, lagi nating tatandaan, we have to love ourselves first before
Yes po.
anyone else. No, kasi no one will do if you're not going to do it.
Yes
And
po.
mahirap pagmahal ng ibang tao kung ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, hindi ka buo.
That's right.
Diba? Ay, ang sarap nun, no? and
Pero let's not forget po our Heavenly Father.
Yes.
Our Lord dear God
Uh-huh.
who has blessed us every day with life, with blessings to cherish. Let us not forget our Lord dear God po talaga kasi He is the one and only. Yun po. Huwag po natin kakalimutan ng Panginoon.
totoo yan. We always need to make sure that si God pa rin ang center of our
Opo.
life after everything all
Yes po.
happened, 'di ba? Ayan, alam mo napaka-positive ng vibes mo,
Thank
no?
you so much po.
Ibang-iba talaga yung vibes na galing kay mommy at daddy
Yes.
kapag alam mo yun, lumalabas sa personality mo yung vibe na yun eh. And I'm very happy, no, na ang ganda ng progression mo right now with your career. Education is there, 'di ba? Yung support system mo, your
Yes
mom, your
po.
dad, your mga kapatid, they are all here, no? And I'm rooting for you. Sana mag-proceed yung career mo.
Okay.
Kaya
Thank you so
magtuloy-tuloy
much po,
tayo
Kuya
dyan.
Raven. Yeah.
Sure, of course. Yeah. it's been an hour, no? Ang bilis ng oras.
Opo,
But before
grabe
we,
nga po.
we end, tignan nga muna natin, balik muna tayo sa comment
Yes.
section kasi ang dami pang humabol kanina eh. Ayan, you deserve endless success. Ala, may naghulog
Thank you
ulit
so
ng
much
star.
po. Thank you po. Thank you
Ala.
for the stars.
Mami Grace, ayan, salamat
Mami,
po.
thank you, Mami.
Thank you po sa pagbagsak ng stars. Ayan. From Angeli Balahadja Marquez, more blessings daw po and
Thank you
enjoy mo
po.
man kung
Thank you
ano
so
man
much
yung
po.
narating mo right now. Ayan, nagbabagsakan ng mga stars. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so
Salamat
much
po
po.
talaga, Mami. Mami Grace. Ayan. Francis Monterde supporting from Venus. Nakarating tayo ng Venus.
Meron pa nga pong Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus.
Ayan, from LMA Torres, sending love and support.
Thank you so much
And
po.
Sophia Lopez, keep the faith, Donel.
Thank you so much
Yan.
po.
Joe is heart. Talagang may D dazzling from Shira Manalo. Okay, we have Lindsay Ocampo, nakikita ko na magiging successful ka pagdating sa mga susunod na araw.
Thank you so much po.
Wow, at may mga humahabol pa. Ayan, nagpuyat din Momsy and Popsy.
Agoy.
From Mami Grace, ayan.
Agoy.
Milen Toledo, ayan, we will always support you.
Thank you
Donald
po.
Mendoza.
Thank you po.
And we love you, Momsy and Popsy from Mami Grace.
Yes,
Ayan.
love you, Momsy and Popsy. Love you po.
Pa-shoutout daw, sabi ni Yana Nicolas.
Ay, shout out Yana, mag-aral ka na mabuti ha.
Wag po muna mag-end, from Joanne. Aww. Enjoy ba tayo? Ayan, you deserve sunshine from Francis Monterde. Ayan. So, again guys, maraming salamat. No? Ang dami pang umahabol na comment section. Pag may time, babasahin pa natin ulit. But
Yes
this
po.
time, Don, I'm giving the floor to you. Saan ka ba namin pwedeng i-follow? Maybe your social media or your mga upcoming
Okay
appearances and gigs. Ayan. So, the floor is
Okay.
yours now, Don.
Okay po. Well guys, please follow me on my social media platforms. On Facebook po, Donald Mendoza main page. On IG, Instagram, Donald_Mendoza. And on TikTok, Donald_Mendoza rin po yun. Just follow my social media platforms, my constant updates, constant performances ko po, constant recordings. I'll be posting there every now and then. So, now may gusto po akong mga i-shout out po right now. First of all, gusto ko po muna magpasalamat sa sa opportunity po na ito na binigyan niyo po ako ng chance to be interviewed, to express myself internally and externally, to explain different complex stuff na nangyayari po sa showbiz and stuff. And I also want to thank, especially po ang aking priority na ang Panginoon. I want to thank the Lord dear God for giving me this opportunity, for being part of the Clash, being here sa Coffee Chat with Kuya Daven Noveno. Tapos, ayun po, I want to thank the Lord dear God po talaga for giving me this one-of-a-kind opportunity, for His blessings, for His glory, for He has given me this passion po, you know, this passion in singing, this talent po. I want to thank Him so much. Our Lord dear God, Heavenly Father, I want to thank you for blessing me, for I shall repent my sins and come to you every day. And I also want to shout, I want to shout out my parents po, si Mommy and Daddy na nanonood po right now. Mommy and Daddy, love na love ko po kayo. Salamat po sa lahat ng sakripisyo po ninyo. Love na love ko po kayo sobra, labis. I also want to shout out po yung sina Momsy at Popsy po. Momsy at Popsy, thank you po for your influences, your valuable lessons. Thank you po talaga so much. I also want to shout out yung mga siblings ko po. Sina Kuya Tim, Ate Lily Zoe, who is also watching right now. Guys, I love you so, guys. All my siblings are the foundation of my support. Now, I also want to shout out my titos and titas, my cousins. Yan po, shout out po sa inyo, guys. I also want to shout out my relatives po from Visayas. My relatives from Surigao del Sur, shout out po sa inyo. My relatives from Higakit, my relatives from Madrid, ayan po, shoutout po sa inyo. My relatives from Cebu, and my relatives po from Quezon Province, ayan po, shoutout po sa inyo sa aking mga relatives. So, I also wanna shoutout po yung aking pinanggalingan na San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, ang aking city po. Yan po, shoutout po kay Mayor Rida Robes, and shoutout po kay Congressman Arthur Robes po. Yan po, shoutout po sa inyo for always spreading posts that includes positivity, that includes love, and that includes me. Yan po, thank you so much po. I also want to shout out yung school po, Colegio de San Gabriel Arcangel, the foundation of my education, my learnings, dun po talaga nagagaling. I want to shout out po yung school ko po, ang aking mga elementary teachers from grade 1 to grade 6. Ayan po guys, thank you so much po for the valuable lessons. I want to thank you, my high school teachers naman po. As of now, I'm a third year high school po, grade 9 po. Yan po, thank you po. Mga kabatch ko po, mga friends ko po, circle of friends. Hi guys, shoutout po sa inyo. Ayan po, mga kabatch ko po na grade 9, mga kabatch ko po na grade 8, mga kabatch ko po yung yung mga grade 7. Ayan po. I also want to shout out the accounting office for always handling the po the parang difficult problems po talaga na school, for always doing their best, the immense, their strength po talaga in handling these kind of situations, handling different kinds of people. The accounting office, my respect is for you. Ganyan po, yan po. Well, now, I guess I would say that na please, abang-abang lang po kayo. Please come watch The Clash Teens every Sunday ng 7:15 p.m. po. Yun. Abang-abang lang po kayo sa mga performances ng Teen Clashers, lalo na po sa aking team ng Next Gen Power. Lalo na po sa aking performance na abangan nyo lang po mga surprises na ibibigay ko po sa inyo. Yun.
Yes, at of course, syempre guys, ayan, supportahan natin si Don this coming Sunday. Ayan.
Yan po.
Tama, di ba? Sunday,
Yes po, Sunday
7:15, ayan. So, again guys, yan, our special guest for today na si Don ay
Yes.
talagang isa, pansin ninyo naman sa aura niya, very sweet at very charming, di ba? Ayan, may ihahabol ka pa ata. Sige, go. Kaya mo yan.
Well, ayan po, sa aming household, gusto ko po i-shoutout si Nanay Mean po, na palagi po nag-aasikaso sa amin na magkakapatid po. Always cooking us breakfast po, always preparing our clothes po. Yan, Nanay Mean, alam kong nanonood ka ngayon right now, and mahal na mahal kita, Nanay. Ikaw, palagi kang suporta sa akin, palagi kang updated sa showbiz sa showbiz happenings. And Nanay Mean, mahal na mahal kita, Nanay. Love you, Nay.
Ayan, o, 'di ba, napaka-sweet na bata at napaka-charming. Halatang-halata mo yung yung pagiging mabait niya sa aura niya, 'di ba? So, guys, let's all support, 'di ba, Don, this coming
Yes po.
Sunday. Ayan, sa The
Yeah.
Clash Teens. Yan, Clash of 2026.
Yes po, the
Yan.
pinaka-first season ng Teens ng Clash.
Yes, perfect. Ayan. So, again, Don, thank you so much for
po,
being
thank
our
you po.
guest for
Thank you so
today.
much po. Thank you for
Maraming
giving me this
maraming
opportunity.
salamat. And
Thank
also,
you po.
let's give thanks as well to our audience, di ba? Sa mga
Yes.
audience nating nanatili until now.
Yes.
Ayan, thank you so much.
Thank you po. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your constant support, for being active, for your presence. Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm. Ayan. So, but before anything else, guys, before we end our show, again, we would like to invite everyone. Tomorrow na po ito, this Saturday and Sunday, we will be having our open editions, under Ignis Novus Artist Management, syempre powered yan by First Sun Productions. So, please prepare like a single piece of your monologue, 3-minute, dance, sing. Ayan, magkita-kita tayo tomorrow sa The Mirror Studio. Yan, SJG Building, second floor sa Poblacion, Makati. Ayan, so please prepare yourselves because there will be a lot of openings for our open editions under Ignis Novus Artist Management. And of course, would like to invite again everyone to please do like, follow, and subscribe to our official fan pages with Ignis Novus Artist Management in Facebook and in Instagram. That's Ignis Novus Artist Management, and in TikTok at ignisnovus.official. And of course, our First Sun production, the mother production of Ignis Novus Artist Management, in Facebook and in Instagram, that's First Sun Production. And if you want to watch, to rewatch, diba, yung mga replay ng ating mga live streams, including yung upcoming theater shows natin and mga contents, you may also follow and subscribe to our YouTube account at First Son Creatives. And of course, syempre yung ating mga live streams every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays under Ignis Novus Artist Management. Unang-una na dyan, every Monday we have Chikahan with Mami Ray. So that's every 7 p.m. We also have every Wednesday, that's Up Top Download Podcast with Rian Aragon and Ryan Howe. Ayan, that's every Wednesday at 7 p.m. And of course, every Fridays we have Coffee Chat with the Ven Noveno. So make your MWF 7 p.m. a habit with Ignis Novus Artist Management. And of course, I would also like to invite everyone to please do like or subscribe to my official pages. Yan, in Facebook and in TikTok, that's David Noveno. And in Instagram, it's king_mo_ako. Ayan, so again, Donald, thank you so much for being our guest for today. Ayan, maraming salamat sa isang insights sa iyong pagiging mabuting bata. Wow, very sweet. And yan, good luck. I'm rooting for you, no? Sa iyong competition here with the Clash of 2026. Okay? So, ayan. So, guys, magkita-kita po tayo ulit next week. Same time, same day. And gaya po ng parati nating sinasabi, life is just like a cup of coffee. You have to taste it for you to enjoy it. Bye, guys!
Bye, guys!
It's another beautiful night, and thank God it's Friday. Welcome back to Coffee Chat.
Your identity is concerned. God is so good, He will give you air angels.
Mag-aral ka ng dance, voice, lahat ng pwede mong pasukan na aralin mo.
Sa mga director, producers, designers. Number 1 yan sa mga designers. Kasi sila yung...
Life, parang, why would you wait for challenges to come? Hindi ba challenge yung araw-araw na?
Where we brew amazing conversations and inspiring stories.